to Drawing with Shapes. On today's episode, we're going to draw my best friend, Lenny the Lady Bug. Now Lenny, he's made up of shapes, like me. So let's begin with Lenny's body. Now we're going to start with a nice circle, big circle in the middle of the page there. And that's going to be Lenny's body. Now, I'm drawing really light because later on I'm going to be doing a little rubbing out to neaten it all up. Now the next thing we're going to draw is Lenny's patterns. Lenny, being a lady beetle, he's covered in polka dots. So to draw polka dots, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a couple more circles over the top of his body like this. Just different sizes, just like that. So what we want to do now is we just want to rub out any of the lines that go outside of that big circle for his body. So we'll just give it a quick little rub out like this. Okay, and there we have it. Now the next thing we want to do is give Lenny a face. So let's put another circle here over the top like that. That's going to be Lenny's head. So what we'll do is we'll just take away, rub out some of those lines there so we can see that his head is sitting over the top of his body, just like that. The next step is we want to give him a face on his head, so we'll start off with two eyes, just like this. Two small little oval shaped eyes, roughly in the middle, and two pupils at the left of those ovals, just like that, so it kind of looks like he's looking at us. Now we're going to give Lenny some eyebrows. Now Lenny, he's happy, so we're going to give him some nice eyebrows, high up, like that. Because Lenny's always happy, we want to give him a big old smile, just like that. On Lenny's head, he also has two antennas. So to draw the antennas, what we're going to do is we're just going to draw really lightly, once again, a circle up here, and another circle about the same size, just down there, a little bit lower. Now at the moment, they just look like they're floating there, but his antennas actually are joined to his head. And how we're going to draw this is by starting at the top of the circle, like here, and then let's follow it around, follow the circle around, but when we get about here, we're going to go up a little higher and then down. Same with his other antenna. We'll start halfway at the top, and then we're going to go around, but then when we reach here, we're going to go up, and we're going to go down, just like that. And then we're just going to rub out those little bits in the middle, and there we go. Now we can see Lenny's antennas. We're just going to make his mouth a little bit darker. And we're also going to just go over the outside of his head, just like that. Okay, that's looking good. Now we can see his head nice and clearly. Now we're just going to finish off his body. So to finish off his body, just do a straight line, cutting off that circle, like that. And that'll be the bottom of his body. So now let's just go over the outside of his shell. Just like that. And we'll rub out the bottom part. We don't need that anymore. That's where we're going to put his legs. So, there we can see his body, the pattern, his head, and his antennas. Now the next step is to draw legs. And to draw legs, we're going to do it a really easy way. We're going to do it with the letter L, as in legs, like this. There you go. That looks good. Now lastly, we just want to colour him in. We'll give him a dark purple for his body, and we're going to give him a lighter purple for the polka dots, and a lighter purple for his head. And there we go, Lenny the Ladybug. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye-bye.